chama ongo urutende yonjero munyabiashara ukebiri kulingana na ndibuna ekwendeye kwa serikali yatoire goja se county ya Nyamira abaraya baitu tebatiguna kusara na bate bari ngende kiabonyoru ende wapi ende ya Kimai otatagete ne Nyamira seneta Kibaso egere county ito ya Nyamira kine no muchiurio Nyamira no rurabire obeire buya abantu kiro montara nyare ko baga goiko ni biashara bitu bigenderere ali egere turanyora magendera Nyamira ya ite county ayuna abaibori twabera affected ekiagera okonyora omwana akurangiri guchuka ntuna abaibori ntora abantu abansinsi taikonyora okonyora goito koroboke ekero omwana ararangiri bune Nyamira igase county ya ita igastorang'enero igekotobera raisi ekiagera omwana na baraisi komenya nonye nkamwabo oruororo ogenda se university osoma na indi mara goguirana ekiagera expenses kirito gotumeka ujisiko kirabe kenene lakini ekero kira ichese county ya itane gaiga otorabe bi expenses geke na indi tuerwanirere no na baba takatari kwenyara egere na indi abana baito basome mambi baje gokonyi county yetu
Rogers Muturi munyabiashara within Nyamira County and Kenya iwona injenda gite koirana biasa mangana ya university yetu ile ya Nyamira gaiga ngakire serikali nambia mono sana asoko lengereria ebirengereria bia byogotoa echuo ye university ase county yetu ya Nyamira litangani town yetu ya Nyamira engakinere tuanyolete a satellite university from Kisi University igachi se town yetu ya Nyamira ikameke biashara vitu bikakina bia kabisa na inde town yende yons ukina rasima eto kene bwate institution higher institution of running like university amonechinde iye town yetu ya Nyamira headquarter ya Nyamira county tutakeire na indugotwara institution une yibate bire ebochakoba ikiagera abanyabiashara bari gaiga abange bagajire kinyumba kira accommodate university classroom tiakyo lecture hall amo neji nyumba asiji professor neji hostels asabana babuchikumenya lakini rende university netagete obolemo bonene kwagaje institution yanene igonkwachia our leaders baisaranse babeke metwamo batige ubinafsi barole nanga yaragi yapi turabeke university kiagera eze itonenke na nintubula tamalimu ye serikali within our county ara manene tubwenda gutumia asokwagacha university mneyo abo mabwabo unanjemanyete obol mobole west mugrango bole over 100 acres obol mogogo toka bosamaru ward lia Kimai no bole mobo nene obwene takolengererigwa ngitoko bekororo nyoine university na merabe badirene nyoine town yeito na botugotwara satellite university as we plan kogenda lia Kimai as tubwate obole mobo nene lakini boni ge town yeito nduna abanyabiashara tubwate kinyomba tubwate lecture hall tubwate hostel ngitotahirwa university na vale mia abanyabiashara mama mboga no vale babwate chingeni bataita koneria banafunzi eyenege ntoto kuna kurwanira bosa utange university ya chagete kale university egento tokolera mone university iteje nkagaiga abana mbale okonyora bakuru poor families abana bali bagatoko batuma Machakos tobatume Pwani University tobatume Wichita University Naroko University au Mount Kenya in whatever places where they are abana betu ko babeke university yankagaiga mwana ogende university nka na ndo ina nanka mwana olema mambia ogenda mogondo barago ogenda chibasoma igo university yanka negente kia tiatoke support nyonye business wise. It's going to be a game changer for our county, for our town, and for everybody within as a university. igo abarai baito koramasikania manene ntoko na kurwana lioka tiga binte bimo byachaiga muisaransa muibwana ande baito benyonye sirongo boli mugwa sironga libago tuchikobeka chinyomba chokomenya kiro mundu nabwate nyomba yokomenya nabo twangubeka nyone university chakire nyone sirongo kyageranga ngere gaiga and transportation will be very easy. So instead of us saying na tubagachere chinyomba ntu abantu ba Nyamira county kiro mundu nabwata samenyete tigo boli mubulia tobolengereri sironga our national school, our only girls school, boli mulina bwena tenere mentu boke boli mbabata no boke none
Johanna from Nyamira County. I'm a teacher. So when I heard about this issue of the university, I was suggesting that this university to come to Nyamira County because of our learners that they need to be closer and nearer. I'm saying this because of the background that we come from. We don't come from the same background. There are some who come from upper, the rich families and the lower families. So we were considering about the poor families. Considering that they come from these poor families and the universities are near to Nyamira County, we'll be very happy. The girl child, the boy child is going to get this education. And I will be very happy if that one is going to be done.